dirty south. Can y'all really feel me? Dirty south. Dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I know.
What's up, y'all? It's Valley. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hey. So, I got a couple of things for my new wig, so that I will be most prepared. And one that is got to be glue. This is obviously not new, but you're gonna need some. I'm gonna have to squeeze this all the way out because there's barely anything in there. But we gonna make it do, okay? We gonna make it do what it do with the do. A brand new brush. I thought I should get a brush just made for wigs. So how cool is this? Like, it's all neon and everything. I thought it was super fun. I think it was like $3 at ValleyGirl. Then last but not least, I got this shears kit. I really only came for the thinning shears so that I can thin my wig out, make it look a little bit more realistic. But, you know, it came with scissors and a comb, and I wasn't trying to go anywhere else besides Walmart. So I got this for I think like $13 at ValleyGirl. Also, yeah, so like if you guys want, there's like different kinds of like thinning shears that you can use. This one, you just literally like cut, and it thins your hair out. But I'll show you guys in this video of me putting on this wig. Okay, let's get to the good part, you guys. And the good part is unboxing this wig. I'm about to be a whole new me. I'm about to be like, who is you? Because this is me. Alright, y'all, so when I ordered the wig, I ordered it from Amazon.com from this vendor called FUHSI hair. So it came into this package right here, and I've been holding on to this, you guys, for like a week now, so it is long overdue. I've been really anxious to unbox this wig. Even my homegirl was hitting me up. Shout out to my boo Angel, talking about, girl, when you gonna unbox that wig, because I need to see this on you. So here we go. We are about to see what's inside. No, I'm just kidding, but okay. So it comes in this little box like this, and it has like this pink tag that says FUHSI. Beautiful wigs for you. I keep calling it FUHSI because like I switched the S and the H to make it look like FUHSI, but it's like FUHSI. We're just gonna roll with FUHSI. Oh god. The style of this wig is FUHSI Connect Along Synthetic number 103 blonde 250D, and it's in 22 inches. So got some length to it, you feel me? This slides right off like booty car. And then it has like these little tabs right here, so I can just kind of like whoop, pop it open. You guys.
So here is her. Here she is. This is she. She's here.
You guys, I'm so slow. Like, I got everything except a wig cap. I'm such a slow, I'm such a slow person. Probably gonna finish this video tomorrow, but anyways, we'll finish the unboxing part. I got all this makeup on, looking all fly and everything, and I can't even put it away. Anyways, just like different little tips on how to make sure your hair gets its longevity. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I can already smell it. Smell like plastic. That wig is potent. So, got it off the plastic, and here's the wig. A surprise inside? Just kidding, y'all. So it comes in this nice little wig protectant thingamabobber. It is so pretty. I love this color. Like, I thought this color would look more realistic and like nicer on me than the super platinum blonde. And it even comes with baby hairs, like pretty substantially long baby hairs. So you're gonna have to like cut them and customize them for yourself. What I like is that, oh snap. So the unit like has lace all the way back here. So all the way to basically like back here. I'll show you guys again on my head, but like the lace is all the way to back here, which is pretty substantial amount of lace, you guys, like super substantial. And then it has 2 clips on each side, one in the back and one in the middle. As you can see right here, these are the clippy situation. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on right now. I can't really lay it down and do all these extras because I don't have a wig cap, but I wanna show you guys like what it looks like laid down on my hair. Okay, so this is the wig on.
Let me stop.
Anyways, this is like super nice. The hair is super soft. Like super soft, obviously, because it's synthetic. It's going to tingle no matter what. But this is it, just like straight on my head out the box. These are the baby hairs, which pretty much look like bangs, but you guys can cut them and like customize them.
But you gotta keep it up a little something like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this.
So as you can see, like there is a little bit of shedding. Okay, so we're back. I was finally able to pick up my wig cap. It took like a whole day, and then I should have recorded yesterday, but it was my mom's birthday, so we are continuing this video today. So I already like trimmed my lace a little bit. I left some lace because the baby hairs like lay right on top of it. If it's too much after I put it on my head, I'll cut away some more that I need. Right now, I'm going to basically just put down this got to be glued. I ended up getting some more because it was going to be a struggle to try and make it work with the other little bit that I had in my last container, and I wanted to make sure that it was really tacky and I had a sufficient amount to make sure the wig was on put, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put a layer on my edges right now, let it get tacky, dry a little bit, and then I'm going to do a second layer and put this baby on. Okay, so I think it's tacky enough. So I'm about to put on the wig. put the wig on, held it down. Now I want the glue to get intact and for the wig to kind of like shape on my head and lay down flatter. So I'm gonna keep this scarf on probably for like 20 minutes just so it can like lay flat, make sure that glue sticks down on the edges and everything's good to go. And then I can work on my part and my baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm about to take off the scarf. Yeah, so it lays a lot flatter now. So right now I'm gonna find out where I want my part to be. I'm gonna find out where I want my part to be and then start plucking at it. So I think I want it to be on this side. I got my tweezers and I'm about to start plucking away, okay? So I'm gonna start plucking away off camera because it's just gonna be easier for me, okay? So I'll be back and show you guys what my hairline looks like after I'm done plucking. Okay, so I finished plucking out my hairline. You can still see the wig cap, so later I'm going to add some foundation to kind of blend everything in. But right now I have some thinning shears that I got from Walmart, like I told you guys earlier, and I'm going to thin out the wig and also shorten these baby hairs and lay them down. Now for thinning the wig out, like you're gonna, you know, cut in pieces. So you're gonna start high and work your way down. Okay, so the wig is thinned out, and I have to say, like, it's so much lighter. It feels more realistic now. So much easier to brush. Like, there's a lot less tangles. Just looks better too. It looks more natural and it feels lighter. It just feels so much better, you guys. All right, so now I'm about to cut these baby hairs. Okay, so I cut my baby hairs down right here. So I'm about to use my edge control and my brush to start laying my baby hairs down. Okay, so I laid the baby hairs down and I ended up using the Got to Be Glued instead of the Argan oil because it ended up laying down much better with the Got to Be Glued. So that's just my personal experience and opinion on that. I'm about to use some of my foundation and a brush that I literally broke. To put my foundation in my part and then kind of blend in the lace a little as well.
Been a long time.
What'd you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys